Tech owns California. Big Tech just dropped over $200 million to control your state's politics. Here's what they're hiding. Google spent $15 million last quarter alone. That's more than most companies make in revenue. They're not buying ads, they're buying lawmakers. Every bill about AI regulation gets their personal touch. Every privacy law gets watered down. Meta doubled their lobbying budget. Zuckerberg's team has more lobbyists in Sacramento than some states have senators. They killed 3 major data protection bills before you even heard about them. Your personal information stays unprotected because Facebook paid to keep it that way. Apple plays the cleanest game publicly, but spends the dirtiest money privately. $17 million in dark money contributions. Shell companies funding shell campaigns. They blocked right-to-repair laws that would save you hundreds on device fixes. Your broken iPhone stays broken because Apple bought the rules. Amazon's the biggest spender nobody talks about. $40 million to crush worker protection laws. Warehouse safety regulations disappear overnight. Delivery driver benefits get voted down by politicians Amazon personally funded. These companies control your data, your devices, your digital life. Now they control your democracy too. California's laws get written in Silicon Valley boardrooms before they reach the State House. Subscribe if you want the truth about who really runs your government. Hit that bell. Democracy depends on you knowing this.